Did you know that consuming too much water rapidly can potentially cause death? What's the most water you've ever drank in one go? Let me know in the comments. This is because water intoxication can cause hyponatremia or low sodium. When you drink a large quantity of water in a short time, you dangerously dilute your body's sodium levels. Symptoms include nausea, headache, muscle weakness, and in severe cases, seizures and even coma. It's crucial to drink water in moderation and listen to your thirst cues. If you suspect water intoxication, seek medical attention quickly to restore your body's sodium levels and prevent serious complications. Stay safe and informed. Like and follow for more health tips.